This video walks you through how to create sub-items in Monday.com. Start by logging in to your Monday.com account and opening the board where you want the sub-item to live. This part matters because sub-items are created inside a specific parent item on a specific board, so you will want to make sure you are looking at the correct workspace before you continue. Once the board is open, scan the list until you find the item that will hold the new sub-item underneath it. Next, move your cursor over that item. As you hover, look for the three-dot menu beside the item name. Click that menu to open the item options. From the list that appears, select Add Sub-Item. This action tells Monday.com that you want to place a nested task or detail under the item you selected, rather than creating a new top-level item somewhere else on the board. After you choose Add Sub-Item, a sub-item section will appear beneath the parent item. If the section opens but does not yet contain an entry, click the option marked Add Sub-Item. This creates a new line inside that nested section so you can begin entering the information for it. Make sure you are adding it under the correct parent item, since sub-items stay grouped under the item where they are created. With the new sub-item field active, type the name you want to use. The name should match the task, update, or smaller piece of work you want to track beneath the main item. After entering the name, fill in any additional columns that you need. Depending on how your board is set up, this might include columns like owner, status, or date. You can leave those blank if they are not needed right now, or complete them as you go so the sub-item is fully documented from the start. As you enter those details, look across the row to confirm that each value is going into the intended column. This is especially useful if your board contains several fields side by side, because it helps you avoid placing a date in the wrong column or assigning the sub-item to the wrong person on the board. When you are done entering the sub-item details, save the change by pressing Enter or by clicking outside the active field. Monday.com will store the sub-item automatically once you do that. After it saves, the sub-item will remain nested under the parent item in the sub-items section, where you can view it along with any other related sub-items already attached to that item. Your sub-item is now created and saved under the selected parent item in Monday.com.